having a little photo shoot right now.
Yes! Yes! Let's go in. Surprise her.
We've been forgetting to vlog this whole time because look at our car. We have so much stuff in here. We got so many good pieces. And now I'm trying on this vest. I've been wanting one for so long, but this one's a large. What do you think? Hey.
Wait. Why does it fit?
That's cute. Okay, and I was saying for pants wise, I could do like a denim pant and some gold hoops and like some classic.
Dude, even this is cute.
Sneakers.
Even this is a look.
Yeah,
Okay, wow.
and a skirt too.
I'm pissed off. Ooh, yeah.
That's really,
I will
really
get
cute.
this. So this is a life hack for making a messenger bag into a little shoulder bag. So what you want to do, you grab these two ends, and then you want to put this loop, put the loop together, and then take that loop, put it inside of the
Okay.
flappy thing.
Wow.
You have a little shoulder
Innovative.
bag. Guys, I can't do this.
We're having a little photo shoot right now. We're twinning.
She copied my outfit, by the way. And
No.
those are my pants. Sushi pan.
Why is it? Oh my god. This is so sad. Good morning. It's move-in day. I contemplated taking this with me to my dorm, but I was like, hey, when I come home, I'll have something nice to look at, right? I'm gonna get changed, I'm not gonna do makeup or anything today. I'm just gonna wash my face and I'll update you guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I hope that transition was good. I'm gonna say goodbye to my bathroom. It's been real. My dad's pumping my tires right now, but we are on the way there. I'm really excited. We're like 18 minutes away now. So yeah, it's not really a far drive. This is what we're working with so far. It's starting to come together. My mom's taking out my clothes, luckily. My sister's right there. Post move-in lunch. I'm all moved in. My parents left and dropped me off. Were their tears shed? Yes, they were. They were. I'm sad. I mean, I love my parents. I love my family. I love my room at home. I love my pink painted doors, you know? But that's just the way life goes. I'm gonna give you guys a full dorm tour once my roommate moves in. I'm so excited for her to move in on Thursday. Hey guys, it is Thursday. My roommate moves in today. I'm so excited. We went rug shopping yesterday and got a rug for our room. It's laying right there. I'll show you guys once I do a full tour. Ready to be downtown in the city, you know? Very exciting. Officially a city girl. We have a whole bunch going on today for orientation. It's orientation weekend, so we will be all around. I also filmed me getting ready on my TikTok. You guys have to head over there. It's not uploading right now for some reason, so I'll be kind of sad if I don't get it up, but by the time you see this, it should be uploaded. We just finished lunch. You can see.
Very good, as you can see.
Yes.
Mostly Clean Pig Club.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. I'm eating a bowl of fruit and a blueberry muffin. I met Maeve. This is my roommate. You haven't met her yet. And Kennedy.
Hello.
We are on a school bus. Can you believe it? We graduated high school already.
Just to ride in another school.
But we're going on a tour around KC. So yeah. Guys, this puffer jacket is the softest thing ever, but it's like $6.75. We're gonna buy this one day though. Oh, that's so cute. And I'm starting to love all of this stuff with the fur on top. Very cute. That's like a fashion trend now. Come on. This t-shirt is, let's look. $4.95. Initial. Where are we at?
Union Station. There's like an elevator that goes.
Touchdown.
Okay guys, this is what I'm eating for lunch. Look how good. Yummy. Pineapple juice. There's Evan. What'd you get?
Mac and cheese and chicken and ketchup.
Yummy. What'd you get? Gwen.
Yes.
Yummy.
Same thing.
Maeve. Okay.
I got grilled cheese with spinach.
Yummy. And
I got ice cream.
I'm Chesney and I got chicken and mac and cheese.
yum.
I got some roasted veggies and strawberries.
Love it. Eating dinner right now. What's going on? We're doing a community service project. Say hi, EJ.
Hello, I'm EJ from St. Louis.
Yes. Okay.
We're not doing nothing. Right now we're just chilling, waiting on a new assignment. We just got done putting gravel over there. Maybe see it, maybe not.
Yeah, we put gravel in there. I was the designated shoveler for a little bit.
She didn't shovel too much. I'm gonna keep it, but she didn't shovel all that. Don't try to hype yourself up. Nah. We're about to head to Whole Foods right now. Pick up some things. What are we eating?
We're eating in our hall. We're eating in our we're making food in our dorm kitchen.
We're going to make salmon with the greens that we just picked up from
the place that we were volunteering at. That was for orientation, a part of Rockers. They like volunteer. So now we're making food. Yep, stay tuned. We're back and we got this pan from the desk people, but we don't have a knife, so we have a lemon that we can't cut open, and we have also some tomatoes that we can't use now, so we're gonna have to buy a knife later on. But
Next time we're going to do a little list of things that we need.
But for today, we're just gonna make the salmon, and then in terms of the greens and stuff, who knows what we'll do with that. I don't like the skin on my salmon at all. We got some dressing, Herbs de Provence vinaigrette, the cheapest one at Whole Foods. And then we also got some garlic dressing, super yummy.
I'm getting the meat.
Let me try.
Okay.
And it's all in the
good at
your
this.
thumb. Yeah, I've made salmon.
She's good at this.
I made salmon
She
so
knows
many
how to
times.
do this.
Slam it down.
Oh, yes, sizzling there.
Yes. This is the
That's
tomato, and that's the fresh stuff that we got. Yeah. Dude, no. This is the final product. EJ's salad looks way better than mine.
Wait till you put the dressing on it.
And Javi's here now.
My mom's gonna come down tonight, bring me with my mic.
Gotta do
She
a
is?
little sizzle. Nice.
Is it Javi approved? It is. As we go into.
Yeah, we gonna open the trunk and they're gonna be like, what's up, guys? My name's Claire.
My name's Chris. Right now. Like, I'm like, hey guys, it's your boy.
Good morning, guys. It's the final day of orientation, and we are going to play field games right now. Yeah, but we're heading there now, so. Smile, Kennedy.
They got it. They got it.
Yes! 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 Yes!
That. Where we at?
We're at her sister's apartment right now. Let's go in, surprise her. Actually, we're not gonna surprise her.
But what are we doing right now? Looking
We're
at
looking
this
at the view
view.
of the city, Kansas City. Sprint Center, T-Mobile Center is right there.
Yes.
We're lit.
It's a great time.